Idle machines cost a lot of money, and we want to avoid that. Schunk employs a total of 3,700 people in about 50 countries. Our products, components, and services are used in numerous industries, such as automotive, medicine, and life sciences. Schunk manufactures a very extensive portfolio, and we have all the necessary expertise in-house. Therefore, we have a very high level of vertical integration and have every step of the manufacturing process under our own control. For us, it is important to deliver maximum efficiency and maximum quality in every step of the process. Efficiency and process reliability in production are crucial. We cannot afford any mistakes here. In addition to digitalization, CAM programming and simulation with Vericut, automation naturally also plays a major role. Almost all of our core machines, where we run our main production lines, are pre-programmed using CAM programming, so that we can keep setup times on the machine as short as possible and use our resources as efficiently as possible. We create around 3,000 programs for 2,000 products, which we manufacture to customer specifications. Due to the high variance that we have to cover here in production, we have to set up very frequently. To keep these setup times as short as possible, the program is already prepared on the machine. We can be sure that the program works because we were able to cover it with Vericut via simulation. In this way, we keep the downtimes of our machines as short as possible and use our resources as efficiently as possible. We are currently simulating 34 machine tools with Vericut. This also includes multi-channel turn mill centers. Vericut is very important for us to simulate an entire setup, consisting of the blank, finished part, clamping devices, tools, and machine tools. The main advantage of machine simulation with Vericut is that we can reduce setup times on the machine in order to use our resources as efficiently as possible. After simulating with Vericut, we know that our program is error-free and we will avoid collisions on the machine. And thirdly, we can also use Vericut to optimize programs without having to test them directly on the hardware. Instead, we can test this in advance in the office at the workstation and then transfer the optimized program directly to the machine. Of course, this also gives our employees at the machine more security because they receive a program that has already been tested in Vericut, and we can simply approach things with more confidence and therefore get the first part ready from the machine more quickly.
The
customer Schunk is a special project. We worked on it for a long time, and I think we really implemented everything we discussed in advance 100% in a very short time. The challenge was that Schunk wanted to implement a total of 30 machines in the first year. I was a bit skeptical myself at the beginning as to whether we would be able to manage this in terms of capacity, but we managed it really well. Also, thanks to the help of Schunk, as we always received all the data and information on time. With Vericut, the whole package was just right, both the software, which provides us with what we need here to make our production as efficient as possible, and the service from Vericut, which was simply excellent and was always on hand with help and advice when we needed something. I am 100% satisfied. I can tell that we are very welcome here, and that shows me that everyone here is happy with what we have delivered, and above all, that all expectations have been met.